You're not lazy, you're not bad at time management, and you definitely don't lack discipline. You are addicted to stress. If you're a mom and you only get things done at the last minute, stress is the main reason. And once you hear this, you will never look at procrastination the same way again. So listen on. Hi, I'm Nitya Rangarajan, and I help women, especially mothers, earn their first million with ease, clarity, and calm, not burnout and constant pressure. And today I want to talk to the mom who says, I work best under pressure. I need last minute tension to finish anything. I'll do it tomorrow. Somehow I always manage. If that's you, this is not a personality trait, it's your nervous system. According to neuroscience, procrastination is not laziness, it is often an addiction to stress. Here is what actually happens. When you delay a task, your brain gets a tiny hit of relief. Not now, later. And that relief feels good. Then the deadline comes close, stress shoots up, adrenaline rises, cortisol rises. Suddenly you become superhuman. Cleaning the house in 20 minutes, finishing work in one night, managing 10 things at once. You think, see, I work best like this. No, your body has just learned to function only in survival mode. And tell me if this sounds familiar. You wait till the last moment to do things. You feel guilty when things are calm. If everything is going, you create new problems. You say, I'll relax after everything is done, but everything is never done. Because calm feels strange, stress feels normal, and that's not motivation, that's a dysregulated nervous system. This is exactly why so many smart, capable mothers struggle with money and growth. Because building wealth needs clarity, clarity of thoughts and priorities. Planning needs calmness. Consistency needs peace. All these things I'm going to address in next week's video as we need to address this in depth. And if your body only knows panic, you will keep delaying the very things that grow your life. Investments, learning new skills, starting something for yourself. Not because you can't, because your brain only acts when there is danger. And wealth cannot grow in survival mode. So here is one tiny shift I teach moms before starting any task. Don't rush, don't push. Sit, close your eyes, take 5 slow breaths, long inhale, longer exhale, and tell your body, I'm safe. I can do this calmly. It sounds small, but you're literally teaching your nervous system. I don't need stress to perform. I can act from peace. And that's how high level women operate. Not panic, power. Inside the Millionaire Mom program, this is exactly what we work on. Not hustle harder, not wake up at 5 a.m. and suffer. We retrain your nervous system so you can earn, plan, grow, and build wealth without burning out. Because a calm mother makes the best decisions. If you're tired of living in the last minute chaos, maybe you're not lazy, maybe you're just ready for a different way. Stay with me. There is so much more we are unlearning together.